Known as a symbol of continuity, legendary design, driving experience, and the art of engineering, Porsche, a concept throughout the generations. How do we do this? By reinventing the dream of the perfect sports car again and again, and by adapting to the pace of the times. The world is changing, and so are our customers. Inform, configure, purchase, all with a single touch. Work, discover new things, meet new people, all just around the corner. Status symbols become less relevant. In their place comes the experience. It's about what you are, not what you have. Mobility is changing, and so is the technology behind it. What will the Porsche retail of the future look like? Will everything be only virtual? Or will the hands-on experiences still count? Will customers still come to us? How fast can we develop new markets? Faster than anybody else? And when do we start? Not yesterday. Not tomorrow. Now. Porsche Now, the Porsche Sales Pop-Up Kit. The Porsche Sales Pop-Up Kit is an experimental platform that can be configured to suit a wide range of event types. It serves as a temporary sales point for vehicles, as a place to exhibit our brand and history, as a focal point at sporting events, and for everything you want to do with it. It's the stage for your theatre play. How does the Sales Pop-Up Kit work? Walls, ceiling, floor? We don't necessarily need all these elements to define a space. Just a few outlines are enough, and a space appears in our mind's eye. These outlines can be used to create zones, they can be scaled up, and can create free arrangements of surfaces. Based on this simple principle, we have developed a modular system to communicate content, separate spaces, and create functional areas. Using different configurations of these space modules, we've established a flexible pop-up store. The open framework creates curiosity from afar and effectively sets the scene for the products. They can be experienced in reality as well as virtually. The reception and lounge welcome guests, while the configuration and sales areas have their own designated sections. Therefore, new job roles are tailored optimally to suit customers' needs. The pop-up kit is fully equipped right down to the back office. The floor plan can be flexibly adapted to fit within different environments and is as suitable for open areas as it is for closed spaces. It is quick to assemble and quickly ready again for the next journey, to appear in new places, such as central hotspots, malls, or events, and cutting-edge locations. Wherever a new opportunity arises, wherever we are closer to our customers, and wherever new markets await. All further information and details can be found in our planning handbook.